Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more content from moi. I keep coming at y'all with makeup videos, and I just hope you guys are enjoying it. This look was super spare of the moment. I am bored in the house, and the only thing I really can do is play in makeup. So without further ado, here is my look, and I call it Sunshine Look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and yeah, thank you for watching.
So starting out, first things first, I am going to clip my hair back. No makeup on these locks. Ow. Next, taking my setting spray, my spoolie brush, and my lovely bar of soap. You see it. I'm going to spray that soap, and I'm going to spray that spoolie brush with my setting spray. And then I'm going to rub that spoolie brush all up in that soap. This is going to help my eyebrows to give me that feathery look. It's not a real step that's needed, and you'll see why later on, but it helps with that feathering effect. And we all know that that's in right now. Next, taking my angled brush, I am going to apply that Anastasia Beverly pomade onto my lovely brows. And first, again, spraying it with setting spray. I do that because, well, I'm dry. I have very dry skin, so it helps me to keep my skin moist and not to irritate anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows right now, and yeah, you guys see that. Next, I am taking this contour stick. Well, it's a highlighting stick and by Fenty, and it's in the shade Suede. I'm going to apply that on that angled brush, clean angled brush that's different than what I use with the pomade. And I'm going to just outline or carve out my eyebrow. This is going to get rid of any unwanted hairs or anything that I didn't mean to mark up. It's just a way to help erase and get rid of. Next, I'm going to take my little baby beauty blender, and I'm going to spray that with my setting spray again, and I'm going to blend that out. Now, using my brow mascara by Maybelline, I am going to just go over my brows with that. And then I'm going to grab my eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown and just continue to outline and make my eyebrow more precise. Okay, well, grabbing that setting spray and spraying my face once again, I am now going to use the matte book, and I am going to start working on my eyes. Now I'm going to create a base with that Suede contour stick. It's not a contour stick, it's a highlighting stick. I don't know why I keep saying that, but I'm going to create that base and then apply the shadows on top of it. I'm doing this just to make the colors pop a little bit more. And with that, I'm starting out with that yellow in that palette. And I am just going to put that a little above my crease line just to create this sunshine look that I was going for. Next, grabbing that orange in that palette, it's kind of like the lighter orange in that palette. I'm just going to put that in my inner crease, and then I'm going to grab that darker pink in that palette. As you see, it's very pigmented. I love this color. It's like my favorite color in that palette. And I'm going to apply that on my lower lid. And I'm going to keep blending those colors out so that it mesh well. And as you can see here, I got this from Amazon for like $6. This is the way I keep my blending brush clean so that I can keep cleaning and not blending the colors together and to make them a muddy mess. I'm just cleaning and blending, if that makes sense. Next up, my favorite eyeliner now. This is Line Me Up by Color. What is this? Who is this by? Oh my Lord. It's in the description. But crayon case. I don't know why I couldn't get that, y'all. But yeah, I'm just going to create somewhat of a cat line. I don't even know what you call it. It's late. But I'm just going to create a line on my eye just to make my eye stand out a little bit more. Now grabbing that NYX Wonder Pencil, I'm just going to place that into my waterline and try not to poke myself in the eye with it either. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with that same pink that I put on my lid to apply that under my lid. And I'm just going to try to smoke that out. Grabbing my bullet brush, I think that's what it's called, I'm going to apply that orange color underneath the pink just to blend that out. And a little bit on top too. Now, using my setting spray once again, keeping my face moist as much as possible, I'm going to apply my foundation all over my face. The foundation I am using is the Maybelline Matte Poreless. Yeah, foundation. I like it. It's in the shade 340 or Cappuccino, one of the two. And I go between this one and the Dewy Skin one. It just depends on how my skin is acting that day. And since I kept moisturizing, I use the matte finish for a foundation. Next, I'm going to be using the Fenty contour stick, and this is in the shade, I'll leave it in the description. And I'm just going to outline my face and blend that in with my Beauty Blender. This is the same Beauty Blender that I use with my foundation, and I do that just to kind of mute the colors together. I like my foundation and my contour to look like my actual skin, not something that I just plastered on. Next up, with the highlights, I am using my palette from Graftobian. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I can't really tell you what the shade is called, but it's one of the lighter shades in there. And I use it a lot, really a lot. So I like this. And it's very thick and it's covering, especially for my darker eyes. I love it. It fits. Next, using the Contransition palette from the Crown case, I got it right that time. I applied this foundation, Lord Jesus. I applied this highlight. Y'all see that? Like, y'all see how pigmented that is? It's so pretty. It's like blinding, kind of. But yeah, I applied that on my highlighted areas. And you'll see me in a little bit go over the highlight with my beauty blender that I had my foundation on. I do that just to mute some of the colors down a little bit. But yeah. Then I take this palette, contour palette from Anastasia Beverly, and I go over the areas that I contoured with. And that's just to set my contour cream stick. Now my favorite part is blush. Adding some colors back to those rosy cheeks. I'm going to apply that. I got this palette from BH Cosmetics, and again, there isn't a real name to this palette, or the shades that I use, but I'm just going to go back over that blush with my, okay, get it, with my beauty blender just to mute it out. Next, working on the lips, I am going to use my dark brown lip pencil. I don't remember what the name is. Again, it'll be in the description box. And I'm just going to outline my lips with it. By now, y'all know what I do. This product will be listed in the description box, but I just want to tell you guys that this is my favorite lip combo. My favorite nude lip combo. I wear this every day. And I got this lipstick from Target. It's from Lip Bar.